Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I have a really small haul. I went to Michael's first of all, and I'm gonna have to do like an online order because the stuff in there wasn't really giving. I don't think they quite have everything out. So then I snuck to Homegoods and I purchased a few things. Me and Ava snuck over there, guys. I am on Valentine's Day mode, okay? Like, I'm just so excited to see all the Valentine's Day stuff out in different places. So the first thing that I grabbed is this, what do you call this? It's a cupcakes and cashmere at home. That's the brand. It's just this little trinket dish, guys. And I don't know, I don't think that it's plastic. It feels a little bit heavier than plastic, but I had to have this because it's pink, it's got hearts, and it was big enough for me to what I plan to do with this is put my beads, my bubblegum beads, and whatever beads I want to play with. I plan to put them in here, so as I'm crafting I can just grab them out and pick through them and all that good stuff and design and create with it. So I had to get this. It was $9.99. These two things were a little pricey. The next thing I'm gonna show you too, but I just had to have it. They have all kind of really cute dishware and cookingware, and you guys know that I'm obsessed with bowls. So look at these plates. Shabby Chic is the brand of this one. Look at the bows. They're beautiful. They look like they're watercolored, and there are a set of 4. They had a bigger plate, but I wanted this smaller one for, I really don't need no more trinket trays or anything, but I had to get this, guys. $7.99. And it's a really nice quality. It's, I don't know, it might be ceramic, guys. I'm not sure, but it was beautiful and I had to have it. And then I grabbed these conversation heart napkins for $3.99. They had another set there with like, I really want to record for you guys, but honestly, I just was not feeling it in any of the stores today. So I just decided to just grab my stuff and go. But they had another one with like treats and cakes and hearts and all that pretty stuff. But I just grabbed this conversation heart one. I plan to do ruffled trim with that. I've been grabbing so many different napkins. I've been collecting them for years now, and I have yet to sew some. So I need to hurry up and do that. And then this is another thing, like, why do I keep buying this and I have not done anything with it yet? But Little Paper Crafter, Leave It to Lisa Crafts, and the Pink Ape got me getting these paper plates. So Little Pink Craft, okay, oh my God, sorry. The Pink Ape, I think that she's the originator of this idea, you guys, but she created, like, she turned regular party plates into like a way that you can like tuck things in and use it for packaging. And then Little Pink Crafter, she used my digital collection and she created such a beautiful pink gingy. So they got me looking for them. And then Lisa, Leave It to Lisa Craft, she did a tutorial on how to do it. And when Lisa did that tutorial, I'm like, okay, I gotta get these plates. So whenever I see some cute little plates, I've been grabbing them, but I have yet to make one. So this is the salad dessert plates. The brand is Dabney Lee. There's 16 plates. These are 8-inch plates. They have this pretty pink scallop. They're bows. And these were $4.99. I think that's a really good price, guys, for 16 of them. And then I had to grab this one. This is a much bigger one. It's by My Mind's Eye. $5.99. And it has a bunch of pink bows. And I love that it's a scalloped square. So you guys check out. I need to tag them in the other video. I forgot to do it. I will tag them down below once I post this video. And then I will also find that tutorial that Lisa did, so you guys can follow along and you can create one, okay? But I love the size of this one. You can just load this up with all kind of goodies and stuff like that. So that's it for this video. Really short haul. I'm trying to stay up out of these stores, guys, and I'm trying not to buy much. But you guys know that my weakness is Valentine's Day. So I don't know how that's going to work out. I hope you all have a blessed week, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.